Good morning, guys. So, my phone isn't working all morning. I've been trying to get it to charge, and so I was kind of unable just to take the before and after photo. And after a couple, like, I don't want to even say couple, um, but just all morning, just looking, just trying to switch out chargers and all this extra stuff, and it's just not working. So, no before after photo today for my thumbnail, but that's just life. Things just don't work out perfectly all the time. So you just gotta chug along. And that's what I just decided to do today. It's just to chug along. Okay. I'm gonna take this and just do a high ponytail.
Who is that?
You kind of want to take all the hair and pull it to the front and put the ponytail right where the part is. Okay. And let's see. I'm gonna take hair. This is like from a big packet of hair. It's like for like $2. I'm just gonna take, this is actually a small section of it. I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna clip it. Bobby pin. I'm gonna clip it right here. Actually, I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around instead of clipping it. Okay. So half of it I'm gonna be using for my bun, and the other half I'm just gonna pull it to the front, just like so. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is use a little bit of gel because my hair is just frizzy. I'm not gonna put it here, I'm just gonna put it in the front. I'm gonna take the hair and I'm gonna start a braid, and I'm gonna start the braid right here. I'm gonna pull the hair all the way down, and I'm just gonna start it right here. Okay, and then you're gonna kind of pull it. Keep pulling, and you're gonna take it and flip it. See that? All right. So I'm gonna like pin it down in the front so it's not as high. I'm gonna leave that to the side, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. In the back, I'm just gonna make one big braid. and wrap it around like so. So this is a little bit, and then I'm going to take this, I'm just going to wrap it around. Okay, so you can see my frizzy hair here. It just takes away from the style so much. So I'm just going to grab a lot of gel. I use charcoal powder to cover my thin spots if I really, if it's like full coverage that I want. If I want it to lay flat, and if I want full coverage. Okay. So the other side. See all this, oh, frizziness. You can't really see that my thin spots as much just because my light source is coming from here. So pin that down and take my charcoal toothbrush. Just brush it in. And I'm gonna just let these baby hairs go down. Bring that out. And then I'm gonna have to put some gel in the back. And let me set it back. Can you see? Okay. And this is it. This is the final look. It's not for everyone, but when you look really, really up close, it just looks like the hair is coming from your scalp. Like, it looks like it's the same thing. You could push this down if you don't want a bigger poof, and make it flatter if you don't want the bigger poof. And you don't have to add as much hair if you want to make it a little bit more natural. But this is it, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you have a blessed day. And yeah, thank you guys so much for your comments and for subscribing and all that. And yeah, so you have a good one. Bye. Oh, and wash your hands. You see the charcoal? Yeah. It does get on you. So if it's your first time using it, just be a little careful. Um, do your makeup first before putting on any charcoal. I'm sorry. Put the charcoal on first before putting on makeup if you do makeup, because it might get on your face if you're just not, if it's your first time. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Bye.